Hey, how you doing? Justin here. Today we're going to do a super easy play along for Call Out My Name by Weeknd. I'm assuming I'm pronouncing it right there. I'm sure some people will let me know in the comments if I've not. It's a great song if you're getting together your A minor and E minor, because it's that all of the way through the whole tune. There's no guitar in the original recording either, so you're plenty free to explore using whatever strumming patterns that you like. It is in 6, so it's got this kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 thing going on. So you can either be strumming just on the 1 or the 1 and the 4, but trying to get used to that feeling, because it's slightly different to songs that you might have been playing in the past, which would have been in 4/4 time, where you have this 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2 kind of feel. This is quite different. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it's called 6/8 time would be the correct definition. It's kind of a ballad. It's pretty slow, big, powerful tune. Definitely one for singing and getting a bit gnarly with the old vocal if you're going to sing along. But enough of that. I'm sure you'll be able to follow along. I'm going to start real simple, and then I'll start exploring a few other options for the strumming patterns to give you a few ideas of things that you might like to experiment with on your own. So let's get to it. Here we go. Lots of fun stuff to explore this. Now, a little bit more info for you on this 6/8 thing. So The beginning of the track counts in 1, 2, 3, 4, which is slightly misleading, and I might see if I can tweak that actually in future versions just to show 1, 2, and 3. I think there was some sort of technical problem with that last time we tried. But anyway, the idea here, and the important thing to realize with the strumming, is that you still want to keep your hand moving consistently, like we did with 4/4, where we have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, okay, downs on the 1, 2, 3 and the 4, and ups in between. It's exactly the same here. We want to strum on the numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, if you want to put in any up strums, so long as you keep your hand moving, you'll be fine. So you'd have 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 down. It's a nice pattern. Again, it's the consistency of the hand that is the key thing here. When you're doing any of these tunes, particularly in 6/8, you want to keep it even. You might go 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, so we're not playing on the 2. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6. Or 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. So 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. So that one I'm going down, up, 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 down. And again, noting that I'm just muting the strings out when I'm practicing my strumming patterns can be a bit distracting when the chords are there. So it'll really give you a better sense of clarity about how you're doing with your rhythm if you mute those strings. And noticing as well that if I'm only playing a few strums, I'm still trying to keep the hand moving all the time. So 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. Because if I do that, then I can, even if I'm just thinking really of playing this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, I can still add other stuff. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. It's about keeping that hand consistent. That's really the key for the rhythm. And in a tune like this, where there's only 2 chords, you need to be pretty hip with your rhythm. Otherwise, it ain't going to work. You need something to define the sections as well, and to keep it an interest for whoever's listening to you playing. If you keep it the same all the way through, it does get very, very boring. So have a little bit of an experiment with that. I hope you enjoyed that. Do check out the app. Remember, there's hundreds more songs like this just for beginners. You can change the speed if this one was a little faster, a little bit slow. You can change the pitch by using the capo function and make it be the range to fit your voice. You can turn the melody off. You can turn the bass off. So lots of manipulatable elements to these tracks that you'll find the perfect balance for the way that you want to practice along. There'll be a link in the description. The app is available for Android and iOS. And remember, if you're struggling with any of the elements of this, do click on the link to the lesson on the website. There'll be lessons on pretty much everything involved in this track over there for you to check out, all in a nicely structured beginner's course. I'll see you for plenty more very soon. You take care of yourselves. Bye bye.